This is Martiak Market Update. I'm Mark Martiak. I'm a senior wealth strategist with Premier Wealth Advisors in the heart of New York City. And I'm a registered representative with First Allied Securities Incorporated, member of FINRA and SIPC. Thank you for joining me. This show will explore topics ranging from market updates to the global economy and personal finance. Money is knowledge, and I understand life happens fast. And this program, my views, I hope, will help you navigate your relationship with money with timely guidance and my unique perspective. Does a flattening yield curve hurt bank margins? Why are bank stocks struggling? A flattening yield curve. Over the last several years, bank shares have moved with interest rate expectations. When investors believe rates will climb, shares of banks rise as well, and vice versa. The reason for that is simple. Banks are typically more profitable in a rising rate environment. After years of historically low rates crimping the bottom lines of banks, investors cheered any signs that rates would move higher. But it's currently a little bit more complicated than that. The yield curve, basically the difference between interest on short-term United States government bonds and long-term government bonds, is often considered a good proxy for the profitability on bank lending. Usually, long-term interest rates are higher than short-term ones. Because banks borrow at the short end and lend at the long end, the greater the difference between the two, the more profitable bank lending can be. But the yield curve is currently flattening. The spread between 2-year and 10-year U.S. Treasury notes is at its narrowest level in more than a decade, and that could bite into margins of banks. Stay tuned. We'll soon find out. That's a wrap for Martiak Market Update. I'm Mark Martiak, and thank you for joining me today. Remember, you can find all the episodes on my blog at markmartiak.com. Always feel free to contact me if you have any questions about anything we've talked about, or if you'd like to discuss your financial portfolio. Tune in next time for Martiak Market Update. I'll see you around.